surreal. NASA shares deafening screams of the sun.
So is the sun crying for help? Like, is NASA asking us to do something about this?
This is the sound of the sun screaming.
It's the sound of power, the sound of light and heat, the sound of energy. All right, now I want to know, do they have recordings of the sun, like, crying out in joy, the sun laughing, the sun talking? If the sun is screaming, why won't someone throw it a bone and, like, give it a hug or whatever?